Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Miriam here, and for those who are new, welcome, and for those who've been with me, I've missed y'all. So today the look I was trying to go for is basically doing an afro twist out. The twist out don't have to be too defined, but in the sense that you can still kind of see a little curl action going on. So pretty much I washed my hair. Yes, I washed my hair, and the products that I'm going to be using is the Cantu. Let me see that. Yes, the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner Cream. I pretty much just got this today. I'm not even gonna waste my time. And the only Juices and Berries, the Natural Herbal Leave-In Tonic. My tonic pretty much finished up because I was pretty much using it a lot. So what I did was mix it up with argan oil, avocado oil, black castor oil, and 100% grapeseed oil. So I mixed all that in together. Pretty much I didn't want the bottle to go to waste, so I just say, you know what, let me just put it up in here and spray on in my hair. And as well, I'm gonna use some shea butter, of course. It's damn near almost finished. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I get it done, and let's get started. And I'll come up close, and like I showed you guys, instead of me using a perm rod, I kind of just use my hair as a perm rod. I'm just going to wear my satin cap, and yeah, satin cap, and tomorrow I'll show you guys the finished look. So yeah, alright you guys, so I'm back. I don't want to say with the finished look, but pretty much everything had dried overnight. So as you can see, this is just basically the outcome of it. So what I'm going to do now is spray my oil concoction that I put in this my own Juices and Berries bottle, and spray it in my hand. Ooh. And I'm just going to kind of put this all on my hair. pretty much this is the finished look. Everything is, oh wait, I missed one more. Okay, so now this is the finished look. So pretty much, as you can see, is a whole bunch of definition, but at the same time I have volume as well. I really don't need a pick because my hair is kind of like, it has a lot of volume, which I appreciate. Thank you. But yeah, pretty much this is the finished look of it. I really don't care about the frizz. I mean, I'm not really that, you know, a stickler like, oh no, it cannot have frizz. I just feel like that's just me, personal preference, like to each his own. So like, come on. And I didn't even have to use any perm lock, which is what I really love. Like, ever since I started doing that technique, which is not new, but I feel like how it does the curls at the ends, it just gives my hair, you know, that extra zhuzh, you know. But using the Cantu Shea Butter, like I showed you guys, the leave-in conditioner, it just made my hair feel extra soft. And my shampoo and conditioner right now at the moment is what I'm using, just the Aussie 3 Times Moisture. I love that shampoo and conditioner. Like, it makes my hair super soft. And like I was showing you guys, the Own Juices and Berries, I'm pretty sure you guys heard of that company as well. I love her herbal and tonic, I don't want to call it elixir, but it's a herbal leave-in tonic, which is so different, which I really love. That also, it really smells like juices and berries, no joke, like I'm dead ass. But you know, mixing that with the oils that I had, like, it gave my hair that nice shine that I was looking for. My hair don't feel crunchy or anything like that. And I'm looking for this hairstyle to at least last me, I want to say, a good 3-4 days. I'm gonna give it that. Pretty much how I just wear my hair, I would just kind of put my hair up in a pineapple with my satin bonnet and then keep it pushing. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this look. You know, I've really been enjoying my hair, you know, as of late now. Like, I really do enjoy it. Like, come on, look at that. Look how I just spring back into action, boy. Like, I love my hair. I hope you guys love this as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the description, down in the comments. If you have any questions or anything like that, please let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you know, and please don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. And those who just subscribed to my channel, how you guys doing? You know, welcome to my family. I haven't figured out what name I'm gonna call my family yet. But yeah, you know, welcome. You guys will be seeing more of my face, so I'm just happy to do this video for you guys, and there shall be more. Alright, you guys, and don't forget to turn on like the notification button anytime, notification bell anytime when I do, you know, pop up with a video, so that you guys will always, you know, be in tune. But yeah, you guys have a wonderful day. Love you guys.